Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to buy Ethereum on Trust Wallet. So this is extremely easy to actually go ahead and do. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So what you're going to want to go ahead and do, guys, is you're going to want to click the buy button. Now from here, you're going to want to click on Ethereum, and then the bare minimum purchase is about $50 for every other crypto transaction here on Trust Wallet. So go ahead and put the $50 and then choose the party provider you want to choose. Now obviously it filters out the best rates already, so just go ahead, click the best rates, and then click next. Now from here, it's going to take you to the exchange website where you can buy crypto. So basically right here, you're just going to want to go ahead and fill out your email, and then you guys can just pretty much continue from here, where it will later take you to the payment gateway where you'll be paying for that crypto. Now as soon as that is bought, eventually your crypto will now land in your Trust Wallet, and you will now own that crypto. Now, this crypto, you will have your own keys, so you actually own the crypto, guys. That's what I like about these cold wallets, is that you guys can actually store your crypto and know that that crypto is yours. So pretty much that's how you go ahead and buy Ethereum on the Trust Wallet, guys. And it's pretty good. I like Trust Wallet. It's a very good cold wallet. But with that being said, guys, if you guys haven't already, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, guys, and comment down below what you thought of the video. But with that being said, guys, I'll go ahead and see you guys for the next video.